Today we're gonna create a real AI Godzilla film completely free. And the best part is that it can also be monetized. According to YouTube's policy, channels that simply copy, re-upload, or reuse other people's videos will not get monetized. But if you work hard and make your own original AI video with your own images, voices, and animations, then it will be eligible for monetization. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to easily create a real AI animated film. So make sure you don't skip any part because each step is very important. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT, yar. After that, you paste this prompt only. I will give you my YouTube description. Just copy and paste, no tension. In the prompt, write, "Give me a short film story in 400 words." ChatGPT will make the story for you, beta. It depends on you only. If you want long story or short story, just tell ChatGPT how many words you want, and it will generate for you. Very easy. Now, story is ready. Next step is writing further. Please give me 10 image prompt in detailed and add Godzilla in every scene, okay? Now, prompt is ready. Story is created. Next step is to make images, yar. To create AI images, use Piclumen. Very good website for making AI films, and daily free credits also they give. Very nice. I personally use this website, and if you want to make real AI image-based films, this is the best option, believe me. Here, I will select size 16:9 because this is best size for YouTube, and most creators also pick this only. Now, I copy the ChatGPT prompt, paste it into Piclumen, and start creating images. You can see how amazing and outstanding the images turn out. They look professional and perfect. This is how I keep pasting prompts and generating more images. Why use Piclumen? Piclumen is a next-generation platform that empowers creators to produce cinematic films with stunning realism. With its advanced tools, you can craft high-quality visuals, breathtaking effects, and immersive stories that feel just like the big screen. The images are now fully generated according to my prompts. If your credits finish on Piclumen, you can use another excellent website called Leonardo.ai. It is one of the best platforms for creating AI images. To use it, simply open the website, select the size 16:9, which is the best format for YouTube, and choose the model Filmmakers 1.0. After that, paste your prompt, and within a few moments, the images will start generating. You can paste your prompts one by one until all your images are ready. The results are high quality, professional, and very impressive. This way, you have two reliable websites, Piclumen and Leonardo.ai, to create AI images. Once your images are generated, you can easily download them and use them in your project. Now that all the images are ready, the next step is to create the AI voice. For this, I use two websites. The first one is naturalreaders.com. Open the website and you will see many different AI voices available. You can listen to them and check which one you like. It has some really amazing and natural sounding voices. To get started, simply click on Get Started for free. Then select any voice you prefer. Click Next and choose for personal use. After that, go to All Voices, pick the one you like, and press the play button. Your AI voice will be ready instantly.
The ocean trembled. At first, it was just a ripple on the horizon. Then a thud.
Apart from this, there are many other websites you can also use for AI voices. If you want to download the voice, Natural Readers allows that. But if downloading is not available, you can use OBS software to record and save the voice easily. The second website I use for creating free AI voices is OpenAI TTS. It is a very good platform, and the voices sound natural and clear. Here, I simply paste my prompt, then select a voice from the options provided. The quality of the voices is excellent. After that, I click on Create Speech, and within a few moments, the AI voice is generated. You can listen to it right away and see how realistic and professional it sounds. This makes OpenAI TTS another great option for anyone who wants to create high-quality AI voiceovers for their projects. To create AI videos, I use 3 websites. These are very useful platforms because with them, you can make 1 AI video every day for free. The process is very simple. Every day. The first website is called Daijin AI, and it is an amazing platform for creating AI videos. When you sign up, it gives you 300 free credits, which are enough to make around 10 videos. After that, the website provides you with daily credits, so you can continue making AI videos easily. For example, in my account right now, I have more than 3,300 credits because I have been logging in regularly for many days. This allows me to create a large number of videos without any problem. So, if you want to make AI videos on a regular basis, Daijin AI is a very good option for you. Now, let's create an AI video on this website. It is a very good platform, and the process is simple. First, click on Create. Then, go to Upload and choose your first image. After that, paste the prompt for this image and click on Generate. The video will start creating automatically. In the same way, you can upload your second image, paste the prompt, and generate another video. The process takes a little time, but it works smoothly. Using this method, you can combine your images and prompts to make videos that are around 10 to 15 minutes long. The second website I use for creating AI videos is called Magisan.ai. It is a very good platform, and it provides 500 free credits when you start. One of the best benefits of this website is that it allows you to create videos up to 10 seconds long. Personally, I usually make 7-second videos here. The process is very simple. Just write your prompt, click on Generate, and within a short time, the video starts creating. After a little wait, the final video is ready, and the result is really amazing. The next website you can use to create free AI videos is called Veer.com. This is also a very good platform, and it works in a simple way. On Veer, you need to search for the image to video option. Then, upload your image, paste your prompt, and the video will start generating. After a short time, your video will be ready, and you can see how well this website creates AI videos. Now the AI videos have been created on all the websites, and as you can see, the results are really good. I will now save these videos to keep them ready for use in my project. For the final step, I use CapCut to edit my video. CapCut is a great software for video editing. It's free, easy to use, and comes with powerful features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. It works perfectly for both beginners and professionals. Here, I edit my video, add some effects, and now my video is fully ready. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions related to this video, feel free to leave a comment and I'll reply. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. In the next video, I'll share another useful method with you. Thanks again for watching.